Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, a premium subscription box, and this is from Cohorted, and this month, lovelies, in collaboration with Delilah. I really hope I pronounce it properly. So if you want to see what's inside in this box, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, lovelies, and also lovelies, if you see me the same clothes from my other videos, because I'm doing it the same day. I'm filming everything in the same day because these boxes came last week, but as I said, I was away last week, so yes, I'm filming it all in the same day. Let's unbox this box from Cohorted. So if you're new to Cohorted, this is a premium beauty subscription box because it costs £39.99, including the shipping fee, and you receive premium beauty products, skincare, makeup, and also this subscription box is quite different from other subscription because it works like 1 month front. It means that if you subscribe today, you won't receive this box, lovelies, but you will receive the next month box, which is in collaboration with Spa. I will pop in here the product spoilers. If you like Spa as a brand, their products, I will highly recommend to subscribe now. So yes, it works like 1 month front, so you won't receive this one by next month, but you will pay today £39.99, and also you will pay the next month on the first, because they take money first of the month. So yes, it works like a bit expensive on your first month. I have a code down there, so if you want to use that one, I think it's we want you back 50. You will get the first payment 50% off. So yes, so if you want to use that one, I will pop in the description box below. So yes, all the info as always will be there. So yes, so this month in collaboration with Delilah, and I have, I think, one product from this brand. I don't remember, but yes, I'm quite new from this brand. And then you just flip this box and you will get their usual box, which is a black or the white one, and it says Cohorted B.U.B. Beautiful. And then when you open this box, you will get a card, and it says, "We hope you enjoy your beauty box. This month your box was hand-packed with love by Brent, Cohorted." And then you get the tissue paper, and this month you will get the leaflet, which you have your code, and you need to scan it, and then I think you will go in their app. So they have the app in here. So yes, this is their next month box, this next month spoiler, and this is from Spa. In that box, the overnight hydration therapy, worth £39, and this month, lovelies, box value is £136. Not bad at all. And let's see each product in here. Ooh. So the first one I have in the top is an eyeshadow brush. It's so fancy, the packaging. And inside, get this one, it's soft, and you can see that it's quite pricey, this one, because it's quite heavy. And yes, the packaging is nice. It says Delilah in here. And this one, let's see how much is it. Oh, so this one, it's retail for £20, this eyeshadow brush. And here it says, "This versatile brush is perfect for both cream and powder eyeshadow formulation. The rounded soft shape also makes it ideal for blending and contouring around the eye area. Each brush has been hand cut to shape with an FSC approved wooden handle and is beautifully packaged in a soft velvet pouch." So yeah, very soft, doesn't lose any pesos. So yes, this is the first product. And then another product here, which has the velvet pouch too. Oh, this is nice. I really hope I don't blind you, lovely. So here we go. It's gold. The packaging is gold. Ooh, you have a big mirror in here. I really hope I don't blind you, but the color shade looks like this. I love this gold. It has the black, it has the neutral shade, it has cool shade, few warm. I think this is warm tone. It has warm tone, but most of the shades are cool tone, because this one is warm too. So yes, it's really nice. Perfect for travel. Lovely packaging, very fancy. This palette in the shade Damsel, and this one is retail for 34 pounds. I could imagine, because the packaging is fancy and it's magnetic. And it says a collection of 9 rich warm shades of bronze, gold, and chocolate brown, presented in a beautifully crafted rose gold compact and wrapped in a protective velvet pouch, which is this one. Expertly edited, the color intense eyeshadow palette is your one-stop wardrobe for show-stopping eyeshadow. Create low-key looks or build to dramatic intensity. Each shadow is formulated with micro pigments for lasting wear. Intense color payoff that blends seamlessly for a professional finish. Use Delilah eyeshadow brush to blend shimmering midtones to the middle of the eye. Choose deeper, smokier tones for the outside corner and to line the eye. Finally finish with lightest tone to highlight the brow bone. So yes, perfect combo, these two. And then you get also the Delilah Eyeline Longwear Retractable Pencil. I can't pronounce that word. And this is in full size. All of the products inside Lovely's are full size. It looks like this. Yes, I have few products from Delilah. I think I have the eyeliner, which is a brown one, and the lip liner. I tried few products from this brand, and this one in the shade Twig. So yeah, let's open it. Oh, it's like a brown shade one, retractable, which is a thumbs up for me, because I really do hate pencil one that you need to sharpen it. And I really do like this one, because you have a sharpen at the bottom one, so if you like a pointy applicator one, so you just need to sharpen with this one. It's in the bottom of your pencil. So yes, this one, let's see how much is it. So this one, it's retail for 20 pounds. And this one, it says Eyeline is a long wearing waterproof eyeliner with a built-in sharpener. The super soft creamy texture has intense color and glides beautifully onto the eyes without smudging or fading for up to 12 hours. At the other end, the cap pulls out to reveal a sharpener for precision application. Yes, I really do like this one, because it's quite soft. It's not harsh on my eyes, because I have quite sensitive eyes, and this is really good. And then the next one we have here, which is a brow shape defining brow gel from Delilah. And here we go, the applicators, tiny applicator, which is a thumbs up. It's not a clear brow gel, so it has color in it, but it's quite light brown, full size, and it's retail for 18 pounds. This is in the shade Sable, and this one is retail for 18 pounds. And this one, it says brow shape is the ultimate tinted brow gel, creating a one-step solution for defining, shaping, and filling the brows. The precision micro brush has been designed to naturally tint and tame unruly brow hair. This long-wearing smudge-proof gel is perfect for filling small gaps on sparse eyebrows, leaving them naturally defined and beautifully conditioned. So yes, got this one. And then the next one we have here, it's a mascara. I won't open this one, lovely, because as you know, as I said before, mascara, they go bad really quickly, they dry really quickly. So yes, they have like 6 months of life. So yes, I will not open this, but the packaging is so fancy. As you can see, it's like a rose gold, but it's really fancy. And this is the definitive volume and define mascara. It's retail for 24 pounds, and it says definitive mascara has innovative and unique Y-shaped brush that allows the lashes to become dramatically defined, voluminous with just a few strokes. The formulation itself contains a stretchable film that helps to lengthen and define each lash, while olive waxes give a soft, voluminous look. Achieve full, dramatic, defined lashes with just a few swipes of the brush. So I'll show you the brush in here, but I will pop in here to show you more. So yes, so this one here, we have 2 more products here. You will receive also, and we have also the brow line retractable eyebrow pencil. Love it. This one, this is in the shade Sable. So you have the spoolie one in one side, and the other side you have the brow. Oh, it's quite dark. It is quite dark, but it's perfect for me. Yes, I really need one at the moment because I almost finished mine in here, and I use this a lot. So, and I really do like, it's quite slim, so it's perfect for application. I really do like slim brow pencil. So here we go. As I said, this is a full size, and this one is retail for 20 pounds. And it says, eyebrows are so important, they frame the eye and complete a well-groomed look. Brow line is a retractable eyebrow pencil that is so easy to use. The narrow nib is perfect for creating high-definition eyebrows with a natural hair-like look. The pencil itself, it's quite firm, making brow line very forgiving with a built-in brush at the other end. The perfect eyebrow really is achievable. So yes, and the last product we have here, and I think this is just a freebie one because it's a sample perfume. It's the Joya Unique and Sensor. I don't think, just here is the brand, and this is the Sexy Crush perfume. Here we go. Smells quite nice, kind of strong smell, but yeah. So yeah, that's it, lovelies. I won't show you because it's on my lap, everything. But yes, let's do a recap. So you will receive all full size in this box. So you will receive an eyeshadow palette in the shade Damsel, an eyeshadow brush full size, and then you will receive also an eyeliner longwear retractable pencil, and you will receive a brow shape defining brow gel, and then a mascara, and then also you will receive in this box a brow line retractable eyebrow pencil. I think it's all for the eyes one. So that's all for me, lovelies. What do you think of this box? Do you receive this box? Are you waiting for this box? Just let me know in the comment below. That's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.